Just put a line on that and leave the concept of patterns. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubts?
No, ma'am.
So patterns concept is not there for the test or anything, whatever. For exams also it is not there. But since it was instructed from the board, we got the news just few days ago, not few days, yesterday only. Okay, so we'll just let the concept of patterns and we'll start with new chapter that is triangles and quadrilaterals. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody have your textbooks, right? Open your textbooks, page number 166. Take out page number 166 of your textbook.
இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம அவங்க சொல்றது அவங்களுக்கு எந்த பயிற்சியும் இல்ல, எந்த ஒரு இதுவும் இல்ல. அவங்க இருக்கிறது
Done?
யதார்த்தமா இருக்காங்க. அவங்க சொல்ற நேரத்துல நம்ம
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is everybody ready with page number 166?
அது எப்படி கொண்டு வர்றது?
Okay. Here what we'll do is, I will tell you what to write in the classwork. You'll just make a note in your textbook and then copy from textbook to the classwork. Okay. Otherwise, if you want me to make a notes and send you all, I can do that also. What do you want me to do?
Ma'am, can you make the notes and send, ma'am? Ma'am, make the notes and send the notes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, send the note.
Send you all the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Today evening I'll send you all the notes so that you all can copy down it. Okay, now just listen, open your textbook, and whatever I tell, please do follow it. If you don't understand, ask me the doubt. But you have to be very clear enough with all the concept of this triangles and everything whichever I teach, because it's very important for your higher classes. Okay? Any doubts now? Can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we will start with triangles. Before getting into what are triangles and all, we'll first learn certain basic points here. So first one is collinear points. Collinear points. Okay. So in collinear,
Ma'am, should we write in our classwork this one?
what you don't write anything in your classwork, just listen, but open your textbook, keep your pencil with you. Okay. Collinear points, three or more points which lie on the same line. For example, we know what is the definition of line. Combination of different infinite points frames a line. Correct? Like that only. So we have n number of lines, points on the line like that. We have so many points. We can't tell that yes, the line has this much of points or that much of points. We can't tell that. Okay. So what is collinear points? Collinear points are the points which there are three or more points. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Which lies on the same row. What is row? Row is nothing but this. Okay. So I'll repeat the definition of collinear points again. Three or more points which lie on the line. On the line means it has to be on the same line. If one point is in this line and the other point on the other line, then it cannot be a collinear line. Collinear line means the points more than 2 or 3 which lies on the same line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 points are lying on this line over here. So these points are said to be the collinear points. If anybody asks you what are collinear points, you're supposed to tell that 2 or more points which is lying on the same line is called as collinear points. Any doubt in collinear points?
No, ma'am.
Anybody?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am? No. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, one doubt.
What?
Ma'am, it should be only more than 3, ma'am. It cannot be 1 or 2 points, ma'am. Then that is not a collinear point, ma'am.
Collinear point is more than 3. 3 or more. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Next. After collinear point, next comes the definition of non-collinear points. CP is collinear points. Okay. Non-collinear. You want? Okay, non-collinear points. Non-collinear collinear points is nothing but
ஆனா
the
அது
points
நீங்க
which
நம்ம
does not lie on the
போது
same
சரியா
line.
இருக்கும்னு
For
சொல்றீங்க.
example, I have a
நீங்க
line
பார்த்துக்கிறது
here.
வந்து சொல்லாத பார்த்துக்கோங்க.
This is point A, point B,
நம்ம
and
என்ன சொல்றோம்
point C,
அப்படின்னா
point D,
அவங்க
point
சொல்றத
E,
எதிர்பார்த்து
point F, and
இல்லாம
point G.
நம்ம சொல்றோம்.
Okay, what am I trying to tell
அப்போ
here?
வந்து நம்ம
Here I
ஈஸியா
will tell that
புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம்ல.
the
நம்மளால இந்த கை
points
கால் நல்லா
A,
இருக்க
B,
வரைக்கும்
C
நம்மளால முடிஞ்ச
lie
வரைக்கும்
on the
நம்ம
line. Okay, D,
அப்படிதான்
E, F lie above the line.
ஆமா இல்லன்னா வந்து
E
உடம்பு
and G
சரியில்லாம
points
போயிடும். உண்மையாலுமே சொல்றேன்.
lie below the line. Whereas concluding it, A, B, C, D, E, F and G are the points which do not lie on the same line. They are separate. They are not on the same line. Okay. I can tell that ABC is a collinear line, but I can't tell ABCDEFG is a collinear point. They are non-collinear points. What is the definition of non-collinear? The points which does not lie on the same line. Any doubt here?
Ma'am, for no, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a
What
doubt.
is that answer?
Ma'am, you said non-collinear points should not lie on the line, no, ma'am. So should it be
No, it
three
is
or
not that they should not. It is not that they should not. They will not. They will not. See, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points are here. So all the 7 points are not lying on the same line. Then which is it? Collinear or non-collinear? Then it is non-collinear point.
no, ma'am?
Yeah.
Should it be 3 or below or 3 and above, ma'am? Even 1 and 2 dots also can come, or only 3 and above?
3 and above.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Roshni? Any doubt?
Ma'am, I asked just now, ma'am.
Oh, was that Roshni? Okay, okay.
நீங்க வாழ்க்கை
Tanish,
என்ன
Yes, ma'am.
read from the point page number 166 till the non-collinear points you can see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it till there. Everybody open the textbook and little fast, Tanish.
We have already seen that we can mark many points on the given line. 3 or more points which lie on the same line are called as collinear points. Above points A, B, C and D which lie on the same line are called collinear points. But in the figure shown below, only 2 points A and D lie on the line. Points B, E, C and F do not lie on the line. Hence, these points A, B, C, D, E and F are called non-collinear points.
Any doubts, children? Did you all understand what Tanish read and what I explained? Was it same?
Yes, ma'am.
அவளை
Others?
அவளை வாழ்த்துங்க ஆண்டி வாழ்த்து
Any doubt you all have?
No, ma'am. No doubts.
பாருங்க
Okay.
குடும்பத்துல
Now next, good job, Tanish.
அட்டாச்மெண்ட் ஒரு டிட்டாச்மெண்ட்
Next concept, not next concept. When these three non-collinear points join together, see, now I have 3 points here.
நீங்க என்ன கிளாஸ்
Okay, these are not lying on the same line, but I can join them. When I join them, it becomes a non-collinear points getting joined here. So if I give the namings here, L, M, and N, what happens?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹலோ
If 3
It is called as a triangle point. Relating those figure called triangle.
Yes, non-collinear points L, M, N are joined together. We get a closed figure. What is this closed figure called as?
Triangle.
Very good. So this figure, when we join the points or the vertex element, then we get it as triangle. Okay? This triangle is named. How do you write a triangle? You can't write always as triangle ABC, triangle LML. You can't write. Symbolically, triangle is represented like this. I hope everybody know this. So we will write it as triangle L, N, N. So this is the indication of the triangle. Okay? And how many sides are there in this triangle?
Three sides. Three sides.
The sides name LM, LN, and MN. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And how many vertices are here?
3.
What are the vertices?
L, M, and N.
Very good. L, M, and N are the vertices of this triangle. So, how many angles
Ma'am,
are
what
here?
is vertex? 3.
Please don't ask me what are vertices. How many times should I tell what are vertices? Venkatesh, tell me what are vertices?
வந்து எப்படி ஆண்டி நீங்க டிப்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க அஜய் இந்த வயசுல இருந்தே வளர்க்கணும்
Venkatesh?
Ma'am, I only asked the question, ma'am. I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, Lakshita?
Ma'am, did you call me?
What are vertices?
Vertices are common endpoints where two rays join
Together. Very
together.
good. Good job, Lakshita. Did you understand, Venkatesh, what is it?
Ma'am, they are also called as corners, ma'am.
They are also called as corners, but instead of corners, we tell it as vertex. That is the proper word. Okay? Nayandrati?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Venkatesh, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What are vertices or vertex?
The two endpoints.
2 endpoints. No. Listen, Venkatesh. When two rays meet together at one common point, then we frame and vertex, or we get an vertex. That is when two rays like this they meet. So we get one common point over there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then this is called as vertex. One point is said to be the vertex. When we have 3, we tell it as vertices.
Copy write this.
No, don't write anything. I'll send you the notes, you can copy.
Lakshmi ma'am, 1 minute. Who is the name called Ravi KGF? Please unmute.
Archit. Archit.
Archit, speak. Unmute and speak. Otherwise, you will be removed.
Yes, sir.
Why you are late?
Sir, my network was not working, sir.
Whose ID is this?
My father, sir.
You have to join from your ID. Otherwise, change the name. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So, triangle element. Yeah. How many angles are there in this triangle?
3.
Very good. What are those angles?
Angle L. Angle L M N, angle M N L, and angle L N M L.
No. Those are the triangles.
Angle M, angle N, ma'am.
Very good. There are 3 angles. That is angle L, angle M, and angle M.
Angle N.
If they ask how many angles, you're supposed to just tell only the angles here. Okay? So angle L, M, N are the 3 angles in the triangle LMN. Okay? Any doubts, students, still here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am means
Three
the
angles
word.
and 3
Ma'am means-
sides of.
Ma'am means the vertex of the ray is the angle, ma'am.
Yes. Child, you're asking me what is angle. Go back to the previous chapter and revise the definitions. I can't keep repeating the definitions whenever we start a new chapter. Before you get into the class, you have to revise all the definitions. I'm sorry, I didn't tell that I'm going to start this chapter. But still, from next class, make sure that you revise all the definitions and get into the class. According to the definition of the angles, 2 rays meet together and frame an angle. Correct? So how many angles are here? Angle L, and angle N. So there are totally 6 elements, 6 parts or 6 elements in this triangle. That is 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay? Next, who else can do it? Lakshita,
Yes, ma'am.
read from after non-collinear points where
This triangle is named as triangle LMN with its sides as LM, MN and NL and three vertices as L, M and N. The three triangles named as the three
Angles.
the three angles named as angle LMN, angle MNL and angle NLM are the angles of the triangle. Three angles are denoted by angle M, angle N and angle L respectively. The three angles and the three sides of a triangle are together called as the six parts or elements of triangle. Thus, the triangle is named in three different ways. Triangle LMN, triangle MNL, and triangle NLM. Vertices of triangle LMN are L, M, and N. Angles of triangle LMN are angle L, angle M, and angle N. Line segments of angle LMN, triangle LMN are LM, MN and NL.
Okay. Done. Next, we have a small important point here. Any doubts, children, still here?
Yes, ma'am. I have one doubt, ma'am.
What is it, Tanish?
Ma'am, this triangle is named as triangle LMN, which has this, that I have a doubt, ma'am.
What doubt? You tell me the doubt. What is it?
No, ma'am, this triangle is named the three angles named as angle LMN, angle LN.
Now LMN is written here, MNL is written here, and what else? It is LNLM. Okay, so we had seen the triangle here. The namings was given as LMN, LMN. Okay, so these are nothing like how are angles denoted? We will write it as angle L, angle M, and angle N. Okay, but we can also when we are representing the entire triangle, then three angles are named as angle LMN. Angle L is here. Angle MNN. Angle N is here. Angle NLM and angle L is here. So I am between two vertices there exists one angle, that is L. So we represent it as angle LMN, MNL, NLM, and it is denoted as angle L, angle M, angle N individually. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Nandruti?
Ma'am, are they both one and same?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when we consider the triangle
I didn't.
LMN, L, M, and N, what happens here is the side LM is the base, correct? For this triangle, this is the base of the triangle LMN. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And angle N is opposite to the base LM. This angle N is opposite to the base LM, which is the base, this one. So angle N is opposite to the line LM. That is what I'm telling. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
N is said to be the vertical angle. Vertical angle. When the angle is opposite to the base, then that sort of angle is said to be the vertical angle. Where LM is the base of the angle, angle N is opposite to the base, therefore angle N is called as the vertical angle. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Tell it is a vertical vertical angle when that angle is opposite to the base of the particular triangle. Yes. Anybody?
Ma'am, but if they give L, N, M, ma'am, and N is down, L will be the vertical angle, ma'am.
If it is like this, you're talking.
No, ma'am, correct triangle only, but when L is in the ends place.
L is in the end space. NM is here. This is not the matter of namings. This is just that when one angle is opposite to the base, then that angle is said to be the vertical angle. That is only the concept. Doesn't matter if it was A, B, C here. Angle A is the vertical angle because it is opposite to the base C, BC. Are you understanding?
Ma'am, in the left, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Done with your doubts?
Ma'am, in the ma'am, the next one you drew another triangle, no, ma'am, upside down.
Yes.
That time the vertical angle, suppose it is L, M, and N again down. The N will be the vertical angle.
Yes, because if this is the base, I can't take this as base, right? Obviously, LM is the base. Then N is vertical angle for the base LM. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, yourself, what is your name? Kushika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read that 3 lines of page 167 starting.
Ma'am, the starting 3 lines, ma'am.
Yes.
The side LM is the base of the triangle NLM. Angle N opposite to the base LM is called the vertical angle of the triangle. Angle L and angle M are part of the base LM. Hence are called base angles.
Very good. Any doubts, children, at this point?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I did not understand. No, ma'am.
What is that, Venkatesh, you did not understand here? What's your doubt?
I did not understand this sentence, ma'am.
But did you understand what I explained now?
That also no, ma'am.
Then why didn't you say and ask?
Okay.
Anyways, now I have a triangle here. This is L, M, and N. Okay? Now, listen carefully, Venkatesh. This L angle is opposite to the LM is the base, right? Sorry, MN is the base of the triangle LMN. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, angle opposite to the base is said to be the vertical angle. Got it?
I got it, ma'am.
That's it. Next, children, classification of triangles. Just concentrate very carefully. Okay. Classification. In that you have 2 types. Triangles are classified into 2 types based on 2 concepts. Okay. On the basis of sides, on the basis of angles. Okay. So triangles are classified into 2 concepts. That is, we tell triangles are classified on the basis of sides and triangles are classified on basis of angles. So first we'll deal with sides. So what are the classifications of sides based on classification of triangles based on sides? Okay. So first we'll deal with sides. Okay. In this we have 3 types. What are the 3 types here? First one is scalene. First one is scalene triangle, and the second one is isosceles triangle. And third one is right angle, equilateral triangle.
Should we write it?
You don't have to write it. Keep your textbook, just concentrate and listen. Everybody. Mute your mic there, Dhanika. Okay. Classification of triangles based on size. It is classified into three types. What are they? First, from starting, I'll tell you all. Triangles are classified on based on two concepts. That is based on sides, and next one based on angles. Okay. Based on sides, we are doing first. Based on side, how triangles are classified, or what are the types of triangles under the concept of sides? Those are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Okay? I haven't defined it. And equilateral triangle. Okay? So first, what is the scalene triangle? A triangle in which all three sides are unequal. All three sides are unequal. Okay. For example, if the triangle is A, B, and C, AB is 7 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and AC is 4 centimeter. Or should take it as 8. Okay. So the side AB, BC, and CA of the triangle ABC are not equal. What is the definition of scalene triangle? All the three sides of the triangle are unequal. Unequal means they are not same. Okay? Did you understand what is the definition of scalene triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Next is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, here only two sides of the triangle are same. Okay. What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle tells us that two sides of the triangle is same, whereas third side is different. If I take ABC here, AB will be 6 centimeter, AC will be 6 centimeter, BC will be some 4, okay, anything can be there, okay? So, it can be AB and BC also can be same, or AC and CD can also be same, no problem. But any two sides of the triangle has to be same. When two sides of the triangle are same, then we tell it as isosceles triangle. So what is scalene triangle? All the three sides of the triangle are not equal. What is isosceles triangle? Two sides of the triangle are equal. Okay? Any doubt in this, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Equilateral triangle, it's very easy. All the three sides of the triangle are equal. The triangle which has all its three sides equal is called as equilateral triangle. All the three sides equal. If I take PQR here, PQ is also 5 centimeter, QR is also 5 centimeter, PR is also 5 centimeter, QR is also 5 centimeter. Okay. So I repeat it again, it's very
Ma'am, I have one doubt on the equilateral triangle.
fast.
If all of the lengths of the sides are the same, will the degrees of the angles also be the same?
Yes, it will.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah. Triangles. In the triangles, there are two concepts which can be classified. One is based on sides, one is based on angles. So, classification of triangles based on sides, you have three types of triangles here. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. What is scalene triangle? All the three sides of the triangle are different, which is not equal. That type of triangles are said to be scalene triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle, two sides of the triangle are equal, whereas the third side is not.
Ma'am?
What is equilateral triangle?
All the three sides are equal.
Very good. All the three sides of the triangle are equal. Yes,
Ma'am?
any doubt, Nish? Or
Ma'am, Ma'am, I didn't understand scale and triangle, ma'am. Could you
scale
explain
and
it again?
triangle, all the three sides of the triangle are, all three sides of a triangle is not equal. See, I have drawn here AB side is not equal to BC side. BC side is not equal to AC side. All the measurements are different. Understood, Ram?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Okay. That's it. You don't have to read it. Yes.
Ma'am, we should not write now, ma'am. You will send the notes of this.
Yes, I will send the notes of it. Then you can write.
Ma'am, I should not write this.
No. You're having your textbook with you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. That's enough. So no doubt in this and erasing the board. Now we learned about the sides of the triangle. Next is classification of triangles was based on sides. We learned about sides. Now it is based on angles. Based on angles. Okay. So in this angles we have again three types. That is acute angle triangle. Three types. Acute angle, triangle, obtuse angle,
Triangle.
triangle, and
Acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle.
right angled triangle. So based on the classification of triangles, which is based on angles, we have three types here. Three types is acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle, and right angled triangle. Everybody know what is acute, obtuse, and right angle?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tanish, what is acute angle?
An angle whose degrees are more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees are called an acute angle.
Obtuse angle?
Whose an angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees.
Right angle?
And whose an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees are called as and right angle.
That's it. Perfect. Good job, Tanish. So I hope everybody also know what are the definitions of acute, obtuse, and right angle. We are learning now acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle, and right angled triangle. What is this acute angled triangle telling me? A triangle which has all the three sides acute, that is less than 90 degree, is called acute angled triangle or acute triangle. See, now what is the construction is that I have a triangle here. So if I take it as A, B and C, and the degrees of angle ABC would be 50, 60, 70, 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. So what can I tell from the figure here? A triangle which has all three sides, all three angles.
All the angles are acute.
Acute means what? Greater than 0 degree, less than 90
degree.
Correct. So here all the angles, angle A, angle B and angle C are less than 90 degree. Yes or no? 50 degree is angle A, 60 degree is angle B and 70 degree is angle C. So all these three angles are less than 90. So this type of angle is called as acute angle. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can you see the definition of acute angle triangle, page 167?
A triangle which has all the three angles acute, that is less than 90 degrees, is called an acute angle triangle or acute triangle.
Yes. You can't tell it as acute angle, you should tell it as acute triangle. Okay? Next is obtuse angled triangle. What is the definition of obtuse angle? It should be more than 90 but less than
180.
180. Okay. So the definition of obtuse angle triangle is that a triangle whose one angle is obtuse or more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Here, one angle should be obtuse angle. Among three, one angle we get it as obtuse. What is that obtuse angle? Which is greater than 90, less than 180. So between 90 and 180, we have to get an angle. So it can be 120 or 125, anything, but it should be less than 180 degree. Okay, that kind of angle constructed is said to be the obtuse triangle.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am. You told that time that if the lengths of all the sides will be is the same, the angles will be the same, right, ma'am? So does that depend on the length of each side, or is it one fixed for all of the triangles?
No, see, when you're constructing this when you're constructing with respect to degrees, you have constructions, okay? So you have to construct 60, 70, bisect it, and you'll get angle 50, that is all there. Over there, your sides will not be same. When your angle is 60, 60, 60, then your sides become same. When it is different, then the sides will be different. Got it?
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay. So obtuse angle triangle whose one angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is said to be the obtuse angle. For example, I can give it as 120 degree randomly. Take it as PQR. So angle Q is 120 degree, which is greater than 90, less than 120 degree. What is right angle, children?
Ma'am means the obtuse angle. Ma'am, one side is right angle.
The triangle whose one angle is right angle. Whose one angle.
Any one side it should be 90, ma'am.
Yes.
In
Right
obtuse,
angle.
ma'am, in obtuse angle triangle, any one
side
should be
less than 180.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So if you take PQR, angle Q is 90 degree. So this type of angles are said to be the right angled triangle.
Ma'am means obtuse angle triangles always should be scale in triangles, ma'am.
It will be scale in triangle, which tells me that all sides will be different. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Done, everybody? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
So everybody understood the triangles classification based on sides and angles?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes an obtuse angle triangle can be an isosceles triangle also.
Any two sides can be same for obtuse angle. It can be, but depends on the given question. So we have to check it out how it is.
Okay, ma'am.
So done, children, no doubt. Can I go ahead with the properties of triangles?
Ma'am, when you post the notes, you should write in the geometry book only, ma'am.
Yes, in geometry book only you have to write.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you explain acute angle again, ma'am?
Acute, first one.
Yes, ma'am. Acute angle triangle.
Acute angle tells us that the three angles should be less than 90 degree. Okay. Here also it should be less than 90, here also. Angle ABC should be less than 90 degree. So that sort of angles are said to be the acute angle. Here it cannot be less than 90, here it should be only 90. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
triangle. Okay. In this properties of triangle, first property is the sum of three angles of triangle. The sum of
ஏன் உட்காந்து பாரு
three angles
அவன் மெட்லே
of a triangle is 180
யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு
degree. The sum of three angles of a triangle equals of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Underline 180 degree. So what are they trying to tell us here? So now first, for example, if I take a triangle whose all sides are equal and angles are same. So this is 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Angle A, angle B and angle C. When I add angle A plus B plus C, what do I get here? 60
180 degrees.
plus 60 degree gives me 180 degree. So this is the property which should satisfy for all the types of triangles. When I add not all the all the types, when it is three sides, three angles here given. So the three angles of a triangle, when I add it, it has to give me 180 degree. Okay. When you don't get 180 degree, then it is not a triangle, or it does not satisfy the first property of the triangle, which tells us that the sum of three angles of a triangle should be equal to 180. Another example.
படுத்துனே கேட்டா தூக்கம் தான் வரும் கொஞ்சம் சோப் போட்டு
If this
Ma'am,
is,
you have to write this in classwork, ma'am.
you don't write anything unless I tell children. And this is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. P, Q and R. So angle P is how much here? 45. Angle Q is 90.
45.
And
90 degrees.
R is 45
degrees.
So 45 plus 45 is 90.
90. 90 plus 180. 180 degree. 180.
180 degree. Therefore, both the triangles are correct because it satisfies the first property. That is, we get 180 degree when I add. Okay. So just tell me for this. Triangle.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because C is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. 80 degree. 80 degrees.
Satisfy the first property of a triangle.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is correct.
Okay, 1 minute. This is 50. Okay. This is 50. This is 30. This is 90. Does this satisfy?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why no?
It's only 170. Because it's the sum of the angles is 170 degree. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that it is not a triangle because it does not satisfy the first property of a triangle. That is, the sum of three angles should be equal to 180. But we get here 170, which is less than 180. Even though if you get more than 180 also, it is wrong. You should get equal to 180. Then only we tell it satisfies the property. Okay? Any doubt in this?
Ma'am, for an obtuse triangle also it should be 180, ma'am.
For obtuse triangle, what is the definition? It should be more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? That is the name of the angle. But when you sum up, no? So we take an example of 120. So 120 plus sum of two other angles, you should get 180 degree. Right angle also you should get 180. Even in acute also you should get 180 when you sum up.
Ma'am, is this property for all the three angles, ma'am?
Yes, it has to be equal to 180.
ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா உட்கார்ந்தா
Any doubt?
அப்பதான் வந்து அந்த தூக்கம் வராது
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. We'll just do one problem. You first understand, I'll send you the notes. So, yeah. In a right angle triangle, this is the example. In a right angle triangle, if one angle is 50 degree, find its third angle. Find its third angle is the question. So, what are they telling? In a right angle triangle. This is very important. When they tell in a right angle triangle, your triangle construction should be like this only. If it is something different apart from this, then it is wrong. You have to construct it like this. Okay? So when it is like that, then obviously this angle is 90 degree. If I take this as A, B and C, angle B is 90. One angle is 50 degree. I can take angle A as 50 or angle C as 50, no problem. If I take angle A as 50 degree, I have to find the angle of C. Okay. So first what will we do here? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. When I add all these three angles, it should be equal to 180 degree. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is angle A in the question? 50 degree.
50 degree. 50 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree.
Angle C, I don't know
is
to write
40
that.
degree.
50 plus 90,
140 degree.
140 degree
Plus 40 degree is equal
plus
to
C
180
is equal to 180 degree.
degree. So 180 degree minus 140 degree.
I will take
180 degree minus 140 degree equals 40 degree. 180 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 40 degree. 40 degree.
So answer C here is 40 degree. If you think that your answer is right or wrong, if you don't know, 50 plus 90 is 140. 140 plus 40 in the place of angle C, if you add, you get 180. Therefore, your angle sum property gets satisfied here and the answer for angle C is correct. Any doubt?
Ma'am, means for a right angle triangle, the top part, the top corner, the A part and C part will both have different angles, ma'am. They both will not be same, ma'am.
They will not be same. It can be same. It can be different also. But so it will be different. Okay. So you have to find the angles. You can also take angle C as 50 and find A. No problem.
Ma'am, I didn't understand, ma'am.
What you do not understand, Sonika?
Ma'am, how to check the answer, ma'am?
Okay. Angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 is angle sum property definition. So angle A from the given figure we know it is 50 degree. Angle B is 90 degree plus angle C is what we have to find. 50 plus 90 is 140 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180. I'll take plus 140 to right hand side. When I take plus to the right hand side, it becomes minus. Therefore 180 degree minus 140, you get 40 degree. Did you understand, Sonika?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can even do like 40 plus 50 plus 90 is equal to 180 and check the answer.
That's it. That is only the way to check it, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. There are 60 students here.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Enter the class before 5 minutes. Everybody. You're not supposed to get delayed for entering the class. Okay? When you have school, you will come in time, right? Or on time at least. So here also you're supposed to get into the class before 5 to 10 minutes. You're not supposed to tell your problem as internet issues, that, this and all that stuff. Every day I cannot wait for 5 minutes. I'm not waiting, but still. Okay? If you have lots of syllabus to be completed, more things to be learned, so many activities, everything is there. If you every day delay for 10 to 15 minutes per class, then I cannot help it. I will become more fast. You all only will feel very difficult. Will you all be early tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have to come before 5 to 10 minutes. Check your internet before
Okay, ma'am.
getting to class. Check at if 10:30 is your class, 10 o'clock only check your internet and get ready and get entered before 5 to 10 minutes. Don't open your internet and sit for a long time. You will waste your internet there.
Okay, ma'am.
Please do understand, children. We have another 6 minutes. We can start with the next property.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, what's the doubt?
Ma'am, if two angles are 45 degrees,
Yes.
then right angle will be having right angle triangle will be having two same angles, no ma'am?
Here, if this is 90 degree, it can be 45 and 45 here. So because 45 plus 45 is 90, 90 plus 90 is 180.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
The sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle, the next property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. In short, I can tell it as the sum of two sides equal to the sum of two sides of the triangle is always greater than the length of third side. Is greater than the third side of triangle. This is just in a shortcut way I have written. What is the second property telling us? The sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side of the triangle. Here, if I give you the example,
Ma'am, 45, 45, 90 will come, ma'am. Ma'am, your video is off for me, ma'am. For me also, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, your video Yes, ma'am, your video is off. Your video is off, ma'am. Your video is off. Ma'am, your video is off. Ma'am, your video is off. Ma'am, your video is off.
Hello, hello. Anyone can tell why you people are unmuting now? Who is that? Unmute. Sorry, mute. children. I think ma'am has some internet issues. You can exit from the room.
धन्यवाद सर. धन्यवाद सर. धन्यवाद सर. धन्यवाद.
வீடியோ அம்மா